Imagine a planet so intensely hot it's devouring its own atmosphere. Welcome to Kelt 9b. This is not your ordinary gas giant. Orbiting its star every 1.5 days, Kelt 9b is exposed to temperatures reaching an unimaginable 4,300 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than many low-mass stars. Now, if you think a sunburn here on Earth is bad, imagine what that could do to a planet. In fact, Kelt 9b is slowly disintegrating under this intense heat. Its molecular atmosphere, once a protective shield, is breaking down and burning off in a celestial spectacle of self-destruction. Picture a world so close to its star, it's literally being eaten alive, its atmosphere evaporating into the cosmic ether. Talk about a serious case of heartburn. So if you ever thought the sun was too hot, Kelt 9b might just change your mind. From the scorching heat, we now travel to the icy cold of Ogle 2005 BLG 390 LB, unofficially known as Hoth. This planet, my friends, is the epitome of a winter wonderland. If by wonderland you mean a place so frigid that even the hardiest of snowmen would plead for a cup of hot cocoa. Hoth is the coldest planet we've discovered to date, with temperatures hovering just 50 degrees above absolute zero. That's negative 223 degrees Celsius for those keeping score at home. Imagine a world so cold that its atmosphere freezes solid. Yes, you heard that right, the atmosphere freezes solid. This extreme cold, along with the planet's rocky terrain, makes Hoth a rather inhospitable place for life as we know it. Even the most adventurous of interstellar explorers would find it challenging to survive here. So wrap up warm if you ever plan on visiting Hoth. It's a real ice queen. Next, we're off to a planet that makes the Sahara Desert look like a winter wonderland. Welcome to Kepler 70b. This beast of a planet holds the record for the hottest known surface temperature, a staggering 7,288 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt just about anything in the universe. Kepler 70b orbits so close to its host star that it practically hugs it, at a mere 0.006 astronomical units. Because of this infernal proximity, the planet lacks a significant atmosphere. Imagine a world where liquid water or necessary gases for life just can't exist. Now, don't get your hopes up, but there's a wild theory out there. Some speculate that in the distant past, extremely resilient life forms could have existed in the planet's clouds. But let's be real, it's a long shot. Kepler 70b, a place where you'd need more than just a sun hat and some SPF 50. Now, let's take a detour to a moon rather than a planet. Meet Io, Jupiter's volcanic nightmare, a celestial body that's more than just a little hot under the collar, boasting over 400 active volcanoes. It's like the universe's own fireworks display, except, deadly. The surface is a vibrant, ever-changing tapestry of lava and volcanic gases, creating an atmosphere that's about as welcoming as a porcupine in a balloon shop. Mostly sulfur dioxide, this toxic cocktail of gases would make even the most hardened space explorer think twice. And if the volcanoes and toxic gases weren't enough to put you off, Io also bathes in intense radiation thanks to its close relationship with Jupiter. It's like trying to sunbathe in a nuclear reactor, not recommended. So, if you're planning a space vacation, maybe give Io a miss. After all, it's a place where explosive doesn't even begin to cover it. Last but certainly not least, we have Korat 7b, a world that's more lava than land. Welcome to a planet where the term sizzling is an understatement. Korat 7b is a rocky exoplanet that has its surface temperatures skyrocketing beyond 2,000 degrees Celsius. That's enough to turn you into a human torch instantly. Imagine a world where the ground is literally lava, a fiery hellscape where every step is a dance with molten death. But the heat isn't the only thing you'd have to worry about on Korat 7b. This planet orbits so close to its host star that it gets a daily dose of intense ultraviolet radiation. Talk about a permanent sunburn. And as if things couldn't get any worse, Korat 7b probably doesn't have a protective atmosphere, so no sunscreen is going to save you from that UV onslaught. In essence, Korat 7b is a world that's more than just hot stuff. It's a blistering, radiation-blasted landscape without any breathable air. Korat 7b, a planet that takes hot property to a whole new level.